In this video, you'll learn how to change the background color in Mailchimp. By following these steps, you will be able to customize your email campaigns to better reflect your brand's identity. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp website. Ensure you're on the home page. If prompted, sign in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you should see the main dashboard with various options available for creating campaigns. Next, locate and click on the Create Email button. This option is typically found prominently on the dashboard. After you click this button, a new window will open, allowing you to choose how you want to start your. After that, select the option to start from scratch. This choice enables you to create a completely custom email layout. You will be directed to the email editor where you can begin designing your. Once the email editor loads, look for the Styles tab on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on this tab to access styling options for your email. This section is crucial for modifying the visual aspects of your email, including the background color. Then click on the background option within the Styles tab. This will open additional settings related to the background of your email. You should see a variety of choices available for customizing the background. Next, find and click on the background color icon. This icon typically resembles a paint bucket or a color palette. After clicking it, a color selection tool will appear, allowing you to choose your desired background color. Once you have selected a color, make sure to confirm your choice. This is an important step as it ensures that the new background color is applied to your email design. After confirming the color selection, proceed by clicking on the Save and Exit button to save your changes. Finally, navigate back to the campaign overview and click on the Send button. This action will initiate the sending process for your email campaign. Make sure to review all settings and confirm that your design is as intended before sending. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.